channel. So today we have a new look. I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I use the palette that I got from Glossybox. Like I said, I am registered with this company that always sends me skincare products and makeup products to use and review and try on. So yes, and I found this palette that's very pigmented. I have never heard of it. This is Lasplash Cosmetics. It looks like this, so that was within the box that they sent me from Glossybox, and I love it. This is like my go-to palette. Is actually what I'm wearing. So if you want to see how I use these beautiful colors, literally use all the colors in the palette apart from the white one. But yeah, as you can see, it is pretty, so pretty. So I used this palette here, and I used the Fenty Beauty Glossy Fenty Gloss Bomb, and I used MAC Raisin Blusher, and I also used the Give Them Lala Beauty. It's a bronzer in Ibiza. So I love it. I am in love with this look. I think there is so many that I can create just with this palette, and it is hella pigmented. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the light.